Believe it or not, that is the moon. Man. It's just stunning.
Wait for it. Side surfing. Cool. 8.7. Doing about 7.5 to 9 knots. A little bit more, like closer to 9.5 when we're surfing down by the waves, but they're kind of coming at us from the side, so we're not catching that much. But it's exciting to be moving. It's like the fastest we've moved in 4.5 days. Ongoing battle with this spinnaker today. It's been put it up and then take it down. We've got a storm cloud. Now the winds are too high, but now it's just right. And it feels oh so good. Makes me happy. What happened to you?
I don't know. No sleep? Just a little tired. Not 100%.
We had a little storm cloud. The wind started picking up. We were getting like 19 knots, and of course we have the spinnaker out, so we had to hurry up and get that down, which was a little bit violent, but nothing too bad. But man, it whipped the Jesus out of my leg. You can't see it as much now, but it was bright red. Felt like when I was a little kid and my grandmother used to like swat me with the fly swatter when I was being bad. Oh. Yay! I know, a little excitement.
Let's go back inside, buddy. Come on.
Come on, gotta go in. In the morning, and I'm already saving a life. No big deal. Hold on. Hold on. 2, 3. Oh no! Got another one. So many suicides. Oh man, and another. Ugh. And I can see a trail. 1, 2, 3. It's a very moody, cloudy morning.
We have 28 nautical miles to go. Let's call that about, I don't know, a solid 20 days. So, what the heck happened yesterday? Well, every time I tried to take a nap, we thought, oh, let's put up the spinnaker. Oh no, the wind's changing, we gotta take down the spinnaker. Okay, now we gotta put in a reef in the main. Like, it was just non-stop. So I didn't really get any sleep during the day, and then because I was trying to sleep, I forgot to eat lunch, and that kind of made me feel odd. It's amazing how quickly it can all add up. You know, in my head I thought, oh, if it's a calm day, and one might think that, oh, if it's a calm day, then we can edit video, or we can do some sort of meaningful work. But really, it's like Groundhog Day out here, you know? You wake up, you eat, you sleep, you wake up, you eat, you sleep, you brush your teeth, you shower, and that's about all you can expect. If you get anything else done, then, but if you don't, you don't. you can't push it too hard. I mean, we're out here for another 20 days or whatever, so. Oh, and I found a new setting on this camera that I can control the audio, so hopefully the audio's not blown out like it's been for the past 5 days or whatever. Yay! That's one accomplishment for the day, and that's pretty good. Well, I've been out here manning the helm. Nikki's been really busy in here.
I'm like, hey, seas are kind of rough. You know what I should do? I should clean and I should do some baking because those are all things you do when your house is rock and rolling.
What you making?
Some coffee cake, hopefully. And then I think I might do a batch of chocolate chip walnut cookies.
Holy cow.
I know. And yeah. But I figure it's life at sea, right? Like we're here for however many days, long time. So still have to keep the boat clean and still have to cook. And so life continues. Keeping myself busy, that's what I'm doing.
That's good news for me.
What you get to eat?
Yeah.
Blueberry and goldenberry coffee. This is our nutty streusel topping. This is one of my favorite go-to coffee cakes, and I have the recipe on our website, so I'll make sure and post a link to it in the description box. Okay, first one complete.
And how are things on the kitty front? Cleo? Happy? Yeah. And you, Singa? Yeah? How are you doing? All good? We booked Curiosity to bed. We've got 3 turns on the Genoa, so it's reefed. I have one on the main, reefed and below on the main, not that you can see. The sun has just set, and I think right behind us, the moon will be coming up shortly, and it will be absolutely spectacular. It should be a full moon. Oh man, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, it's gorgeous. There it is for just a second. It's impossible for me to hold over. This is the kind of stuff that's so awesome about being out here.
Well, our seas have continued to be a little washing machine-ish today and tonight. We're cranking along at, I don't know, between 7 and 8 knots though, so can't complain too much about that. We're making good headway. And we've only got, 18 knots of true wind, about 15 of apparent, so nothing dramatic there. I'm listening to a TEDx podcast, and it is the chick from SpaceX, and so of course they're talking about the rockets and all the different programs that are going on, but specifically the part that's cracking me up is they're talking about how they see in the next decade they're going to have a rocket for passengers. So you could fly halfway around the world instead of taking all day, instead of being a 10, 12, 14-hour flight, it would be a half an hour flight. Crazy, right? And the best part is, here I am listening to, this amazing technology about being able to take a rocket. Not a jet plane, a rocket from one point to another to get there as fast as humanly possible. And here I am, floating along in a boat, quite literally the slow boat, taking 20 days or 30 days to get to a destination that I could have flown to in a couple of hours. So there's that. You can give us all the technology in the world, and sometimes we're still going to choose the slowest form of transportation. Just because sometimes it is about the journey and not the destination. Late night thoughts.
See?
This is like day 7.5, kind of going on 8. For us at sea, it's the longest we've ever been at sea.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll say the same thing I said in the last long passage. It's not my favorite. It's a struggle. It's not that it's horrible, it's just not, I don't know, it's not enjoyable, I guess? I don't know. That's just the honest truth. If I'm being honest, I don't want to sell a lie. So yes, it is not my favorite way to travel. To take 30 days in this semi-uncomfortable seas. It's a little truth, alright. Oh.
Okay, so...
hold on.
No. Alright, but I know that's the way you feel right now, but is there anything about it that you do like?
About passage making?
Yeah, like being out here right now.
The moonrise was pretty awesome last night. I tried to capture it on video, but it's like the boat's all... So you're gonna be drunk if you're gonna be like ocean drunk if you try to watch that. If I decide to keep that in there. Spending time with you. That's probably the best thing. Yeah.
Ditto.
It makes me feel bad though because you work so hard and I'm a worthless piece of...
No, you are not. You don't give yourself enough credit for everything you do.
I can't do as much as you. You're so much stronger.
It's genetics. You can't do anything about it.
Sounds like a Taylor Swift song. And you?
And me what? How do I feel about being out here? I'm a little tired today, and I was yesterday. But other than that, I like it. I'm torn. There are moments because it does make you feel a little useless sometimes because you can't be as productive because of the movement, or you have to be at the helm because you have to pay attention, or you have to at least be alert. So I'm a busybody, I guess. So I like to keep myself busy. But other than that, I like it. I like watching the sea. I think it's fascinating. I like sitting up front. I like watching the stars. I like seeing the moon. I like having the excuse to watch movies and listen to podcasts because there's not much else you can do. So I like it.
Okay, I put the camera down. I'm gonna get seasick.
happy to report that I am feeling much more normal today.
Me too.
Yay, yeah. I don't think it has a lot to do with sea state so much, or maybe we're just settling into this new normal. I don't know. But I think it had to do more with sleep than anything. It's amazing what just a little bit of sleep deprivation will do to you. Messes with your head, but I felt like I slept really good last night, or I don't know, daytime, whatever it was, whatever my sleeping time is. But it felt like it was good solid sleep, and now I'm feeling like a regular person again.
I got creative between naps today. When the water hits us from behind, it comes splashing in. So I clipped on this rug. It seems to be working. So far, so good.
Because otherwise, it's just getting water all in here.
Everywhere. Everywhere.
But no more.
That's my one thing for the day. I can go back to sleep.
Yeah. Good job.
Woo!
Crazy out here today. Just crazy, I say.
Slammed all around.
Those are some booty seeds. Yummy.
He's been there for a bit.
Oh, did it get you?
Yes. I hate salt water. I'm clean. Damn it.
So much for that shower.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see, turn around. Oh, you barely got hit.
Whip time. Yummy.
Well, my friends, it is an exciting night out here. I think this is probably the roughest seas we've seen so far. It's still nothing super intense, but being out here and watching the just massive swells of water kind of come and go, and the waves crashing. Yeah, I mean, it's a Moody sea. It feels like you're out here. Has me realizing how alive our planet is. You don't really think about that often. Well, I mean, I don't think about that often. But watching the ocean move, and I mean, it's doing its thing, you know? And so it makes you realize it's a living organism, like this whole thing, our planet. And I know it's like deep thoughts, late night talk, but I can't help myself. You're out here and it's amazing and mesmerizing. It makes me realize how we are towing this line, you know, with nature and trying to make sure that we stay on the correct side of it. Watching the weather and paying attention to what's going on so that we don't end up in a precarious situation, because you can see how quickly it could go from like, okay, this is cool, to absolutely terrifying. And they always say, oh, respect the ocean, and you kind of get that, but I don't know, I don't think you can truly understand that